Welcome. If you've ever missed an important message on Instagram because it was hidden away in your message requests, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to reveal and manage your message requests on Instagram using the latest app update. Whether you're waiting for a DM from a new friend or a business inquiry, these steps will make sure you never miss a message again. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can access all your account settings. Next, look up to the top right corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open a list of options to help you customize your Instagram experience. From here, scroll down until you find the option labeled Hidden Words. Tap on it to enter the settings that control how Instagram filters certain messages and comments. Inside the Hidden Words menu, you'll see a setting called Hide Message Requests. If this option is turned on, Instagram will automatically hide some message requests it thinks are unwanted. But sometimes, important messages get filtered out too. To make sure you see all your message requests, simply toggle off the Hide Message Requests option. That's it. Now all message requests, including those Instagram previously filtered, will show up in your inbox. You can review, accept, or decline them as you wish. If you ever want to change this back, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting back on. This gives you full control over which messages you see and helps you stay connected with everyone who tries to reach you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your Instagram account. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials.